Today we're going to learn 20 Urdu verbs with a Pakistani drama called Durre Shehwar. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome back to Learn Urdu with Sara. Here on this channel, I help you have a better understanding of Urdu language. I provide Urdu grammar lessons and Urdu through literature and stories, and today is a similar lesson where I'm going to teach you Urdu with an Urdu drama. I try to learn other languages as well, like Spanish, Farsi and Arabic, and my favorite way to learn a language is through movies, dramas, stories, etc. because it's very entertaining and I feel like fun is an essential part of language acquisition. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a short clip of a drama called Durre Shehwar. I probably watched it like 15 or 10 years ago. It's a Pakistani drama and shows the complexity of marital life. There's a contrast happening here where the daughter's marital life is shown in modern times and the mother's marital times is shown in post-partition time, which is more traditional and more strict. In this particular scene, we're going to see some conflict between the daughter, whose name is Chandana, with her husband. We're going to learn real life Urdu here and focus on the verb that these actors are using. So now let's begin.
मंसूर उठ जाए, उठने का वक्त हो गया। उठ जाए।
आज जी नहीं चाह रहा।
वो तो हर रोज ही नहीं चाहता। उठ जाए।
The first verb is uthna, which is to wake up. Uthna. Utho means wake up. Utho. Here the verb that is used is ut jana. It's a compound verb. Ut jana. Uth jaiye. Uth jaiye. It's a polite imperative. Compound verbs are used quite a lot in Urdu and they indicate a sense of completion of the action or a finality or transition from one state to another. So here when they're saying uth jaiye, that means he's changing his state from sleeping to waking up.
अब उठ भी जाइए ना, फिर हबीब भाई आएंगे और आपको वॉक पे ले जाएंगे। देर हो रही, उठ जाए।
Another compound verb that is used in this clip is le jana, to take someone. Le jayenge. His friend will take him for a walk. Le jayenge is the future tense. Will take. आपके दोस्त ले जाएंगे.
अब उठ भी जाइए ना, फिर हबीब भाई आएंगे और आपको वॉक पे ले जाएंगे। देर हो रही, उठ जाए। उठो, उठो 6:30 बज गए हैं। सुबह काम पहुंचा तुमने जल्दी आओ।
दिमाग ना खाओ यार, उसका
Dimagh na khao. Dimagh na khao means don't eat my brain. Dimagh is brain. Khao, eat, like an imperative. Khana is to eat and khao is eat, like a command. So dimagh na khao is quite a common phrase. Dimagh na khao mera. Don't bother me. Don't eat my brain. Leave me alone. That's what it means. Abhi utta ho. I'm just getting up. Abhi utta ho.
दिमाग ना खाओ यार, उसका
उठो और मुझे ना कहना कि मैंने नहीं उठाया तुम्हें। ना उठोगे मुझे क्या?
Na utho means don't wake up. Na utho, mujhe kya? Mujhe kya means why do I care? Mujhe kya?
ना उठोगे मुझे क्या? उठो और मुझे ना कहना कि मैंने नहीं उठाया तुम्हें।
Uthana is a similar verb which is to wake someone up. मुझे नहीं कहना कि मैंने नहीं उठाया. Uthaya is don't say that to me. Don't say afterwards that I didn't wake you up. Uthana is to wake someone up. He's trying to wake her husband and he's not waking up.
तो सोफी get up, come on जाने। उठो सोफी जानी, get up, you're getting late for school, उठो। सोफी get up, Sophie, get up, देर हो रही है स्कूल के लिए बेटा।
देर हो रही है इज अ वेरी कॉमन सेंटेंस. देर हो रही है. मुझे देर हो रही है. मुझे means to me. There is kind of lateness. Lateness is happening to me. Hona is to happen. So the literal translation is lateness is happening to me. I figured this out on my own. Don't quote me on that. But what it means is I'm getting late. मुझे देर हो रही है. आपको देर हो रही है. You're getting late.
देर हो रही है स्कूल के लिए बेटा.
Mummy, I hate you.
Everyone hates mommy.
I love Samina Pirzada. She's one of the finest actor of Pakistan.
आ रही हूँ भाई.
Could be a little polite. Ana is to come. आ रही हूँ. I'm coming.
आ रही हूँ भाई.
Bhai here is used for no reason. It's just मैं आ रही हूँ भाई or coming. It doesn't mean she's saying I'm coming brother. It's just say it's used as a filler word. It's used to kind of give an emphasis to the sentence. मैं कर रही हूँ भाई, like I'm doing it, okay, like that. So a lot of time we use bhai in every sentence, but it does not mean brother. मैं जा रही हूँ भाई, and the pronunciation is bhai. Sometimes people say bhai, sometimes people say bhai. Most of the time people say bhai. You can see different tenses are used here, like aa rahi hu, present continuous.
आइए आइए. क्यों आई है भाई? 4 दिन और छुट्टी कर लेती.
In this sentence, आइए आइए means come come. आइए आइए, come come. It's ye. The suffix ye is used as a polite imperative. Here she's using it sarcastically. Because usually you don't use formal and polite imperatives with a servant. You say आओ. Here she is becoming sarcastic, so she's saying आइए आइए. क्यों आए हैं भाई? Like why did you even bother to come?
बाजी वो मेरे मियाँ को दरने की.
तुम्हारे मियाँ को कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है भाई. तुमने तो फर्ज बना लिया कि महीने में तुमने एक दफा किसी ना किसी बहाने गायब ही होना है.
First banana is to make responsibility. You made it your responsibility. तुमने फर्ज बना लिया है कि महीने में किसी न किसी बहाने गायब होना है. बहाना is excuse. किसी न किसी means any kind of excuse.
तुमने तो फर्ज बना लिया कि महीने में तुमने एक दफा किसी ना किसी बहाने गायब ही होना है.
So they're showing the contrast between the mother's and daughter's personality. The mother is quite calm, self-aware and very creative, whereas the daughter is just agitated, impolite and quite frankly pretty rude actually.
क्या हुआ बाबा की जान? What happened?
Jaan means darling or dear or life. So Baba ki Jaan means the life of my life. क्या हुआ? What happened? My love.
वही जो हर सुबह होता है. मजाल है ये बच्चे खुश होकर अपने स्कूल जाए.
वही जो हर सुबह होता है. वही means the same, like he is emphasizing the wo, that what happens every morning. हर सुबह means every morning. वही जो हर सुबह होता है.
वही जो हर सुबह होता है. मजाल है ये बच्चे खुश होकर अपने स्कूल जाए.
Mummy, I hate you.
Yeah, everyone hates mommy.
मजाल है means she doesn't have the ability. मजाल है कि बच्ची खुश होकर स्कूल जाए. She is never happy when going to school. This is a subjunctive mode and it is used quite a lot in Urdu. मजाल है ये बच्ची खुश होकर स्कूल जाए.
रिफत, साहब का भी नाश्ता लेके आओ. जल्दी करो, सोफी में देर हो रही है.
देर हो रही है as I told you, getting late. देर हो रही है.
मैंने तुमसे कहा भी था कि मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना. I'm going to be late now.
मैंने तुम्हें जगाया था, तुम खुद ही नहीं उठे. It's not my fault.
मैंने तुमसे कहा भी था मुझे जल्दी उठा देना. मैंने तुमसे कहा भी था. It is the past perfect. I had said it to you. मैंने तुमसे, to you or with you, say means with or to here. मैंने तुमसे कहा भी था, said it, I had said it. मुझे जल्दी उठा देना. Here this is an imperative sentence. What did he say? He said, wake me up early. So as you can see, utha dena is to wake someone else up. This is an imperative form. So the whole verb can be used as a command as well. मुझे जल्दी उठा देना. Wake me up early.
मम्मी मैंने नहीं खाना.
Mummy मैंने नहीं खाना. That means I can't eat. I don't want to eat. I made a video about it. I'll link it here.
सोफी नाश्ता करो, रीडिंग बंद करो, जल्दी करो, चलो. अच्छा अपने फ्लेक्स खाओ, शाबाश.
नाश्ता करो, do the breakfast. नाश्ता करो, really कम करो. Like don't make a fuss. I don't know what that means. I've never heard this phrase, but it means like don't cry, don't make a fuss.
नहीं मैंने फ्लेक्स भी नहीं खाना.
Flakes भी नहीं खाने. So the first part of this sentence is missing, which is मुझे flakes नहीं खाने. I don't want to eat flakes. मुझे flakes नहीं खाने. Because flakes is plural, so it's खाने. मुझे flakes नहीं खाने.
तुम ही कुछ खिला दो इसे प्लीज.
खिला देना is to feed. Again a compound verb. तुम ही कुछ खिला दो. You feed her. So it's an imperative sentence. तुम ही कुछ खिला दो. He is used to emphasize तुम here. तुम ही. At least you feed her.
मैं अपना नाश्ता करूं या इसको नाश्ता करूं?
The father is just as annoying as the mother. My God. मैं अपना नाश्ता करूं या इसे खिलाऊं? Should I eat myself or should I feed her?
काम की जिम्मेदारी मुझ पर क्यों डाल देती हो?
हर काम की जिम्मेदारी. Every work. जिम्मेदारी means responsibility. Why the responsibility of everything is on me? मुझ पर डाल देती हो. डालना is to put. डालना is to put, to pour, to add. But here it means put. डाल देती हो. Why you put all the responsibility on me? डाल देना is the verb. These lessons are for intermediate learners, so I'm not going too much in detail about the grammar construction.
मैं तुम्हें कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं डाल रही. तुम्हें कह रही हूँ कि अपनी बच्ची को सुबह का नाश्ता करा
मैं
दो.
तुम पर जिम्मेदारी नहीं डाल रही. I'm not putting responsibility on you. तुम पर means on you. मैं तुम पर जिम्मेदारी नहीं डाल रही.
तुम्हें कह रही हूँ कि अपनी बच्ची को सुबह का नाश्ता करा दो.
अपनी बच्ची को means your own daughter. सुबह का of morning. नाश्ता means breakfast. करा दो means do. करा देना is to make someone do something. अपनी बच्ची को feed your own daughter some breakfast. नाश्ता is also a high tea. So here she's saying सुबह का नाश्ता means the morning breakfast. Sometimes what we eat in the evening, शाम के वक्त, उसको भी नाश्ता कहते हैं.
तो माँ हो इसकी. That's what mothers are for यार. That's your responsibility.
एक्सक्यूज मी, मुझे मेरी रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज.
So तुम माँ हो इसकी. You are her mother. तुम माँ हो. माँ means mother. You are her mother. That's what mothers are for.
It's your responsibility.
एक्सक्यूज मी, मुझे मेरी रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज का नाम बताओ. ओके, मैं जानती हूँ मैं माँ हूँ उसकी, तुम भी बाप हो उसके. बाप कुछ होता है कि नहीं होता?
You are his father. तुम बाप हो उसके. बाप is father. You are her father. तुम बाप हो उसके. बाप कुछ होता है कि नहीं होता? बाप is something or not. कुछ means anything or something. Is बाप something or not? Like, does he have any responsibilities or not?
जरूरी नहीं है कि हम सुबह सुबह नाश्ते की टेबल पर लड़ने के लिए या झगड़ने की कोशिश करें.
मैं
लड़ना and झगड़ना are synonyms. लड़ना means to fight and झगड़ना is to argue and fight. So he's saying कि ज़रूरी नहीं है. It's not necessary. ज़रूरी नहीं है. It's not required. It's not necessary. It's not compulsory. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम सुबह सुबह नाश्ते की मेज़ पर. नाश्ते की मेज़ means breakfast table, on the breakfast table we fight or we argue. ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम सुबह सुबह नाश्ते की मेज़ पर लड़ने और झगड़ने लगे.
झगड़ नहीं रही हूँ, सिर्फ एहसास दिलाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ जो कि बेकार है.
एहसास दिलाना is trying to reawaken someone's emotion. So she's saying एहसास दिला रही हूँ. I'm trying to make you realize. I'm trying to make you consider it.
झगड़ नहीं रही हूँ, सिर्फ एहसास दिलाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ जो कि बेकार है.
जो बेकार है. जो बेकार है means which is futile. If you want to watch the whole clip without interruption, I'll put the link in the description box.
You know what? तुम्हारी आदत बन गई है हर बात पे फर्स्ट क्रिएट.
आदत बनना is to become a habit. तुम्हारी आदत बन गई है. You made this habit. You made this a habitual thing. आदत बन गई है. तुम्हारी आदत बन गई है. आदत बन जाना is the verb. आदत बन जाना. मेरी आदत बन गई है सुबह सुबह वॉक करने की. I made a habit or the habit is made. It's a passive tense. मेरी आदत बन गई है सुबह सुबह वॉक करने की. To walk in the morning.
You're the most irresponsible woman I've ever come across. Nothing and nobody can make you happy.
And you make me so happy. Sophia, finish your breakfast now. I'm warning you. Rifat, जल्दी से आओ. सोफिया का नाश्ता
This
खत्म
was
करो.
quite a
शहवार
lot.
से बात हुई?
Others living a contented life.
चाय.
थैंक यू.
हमीद नहीं आएगा आज.
नहीं, छुट्टी पे गया है, बताया तो था आपको.
Is a vacation, holiday, weekend, and end of working day. For example, आज छुट्टी है. Today is holiday. छुट्टी आ रही है. Weekend is coming. मैं छुट्टियाँ ले रही हूँ. I am taking vacation. और छुट्टी हो गई. It is the end of working day. Here they're saying Habib छुट्टी पे गया है. Means Habib, who is a servant, has gone on a vacation.
नहीं, छुट्टी पे गया है, बताया तो था आपको.
ओह, याद आ गया. नाश्ता 20 मिनट में तैयार हो जाएगा.
याद आ गया means oh I remember. याद आ गया. नाश्ता 30 मिनट में तैयार हो जाएगा. हो जाना, तैयार हो जाना is to be prepared or get prepared. हो जाएगा means it will be prepared. The breakfast will be prepared. This is the first episode and you cannot see the struggles that she endured after her marriage. So I'm gonna stop here. I hope you have learned a lot of vocabulary words and the verbs. If you want to get a vocabulary word transcript or grammar notes, you can become a Patreon. This is my Patreon link. Do you watch a lot of Indian and Pakistani dramas and movies? Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite Indian or Pakistani movie. Personally, I don't watch a lot of Pakistani dramas or Indian dramas or movies because I try to watch movies in other languages to learn those languages. But my favorite Indian movie is Tare Zameen Par. It's such a good movie and highly recommended. Another movie that I really like is Lunchbox. Lunchbox is starring Irfan Khan and he is a really good actor. Also recommend this movie. I wish you the best of luck and I'll see you later. Have a good day. Goodbye.